Welcome back to school. This will be the first YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to try to make it as monotone as possible to put you asleep. Just kidding. All right, so we're doing the metric system is our first topic. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So use that mnemonic to remember the prefixes for the metric system. All right, K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, big D stands for deca. The U is going to stand for your unit that you're using. M is for meter, G is for gram, L is for liters. Okay. Also need to know why we use these. Meters is for distance, grams is for mass, and liters is for volume. So whatever unit or whatever unit we're using, this is going to be the suffix, the end. Okay, I'll point this out in a second. Little d is for deci, small c is for centi, small m is for milli. Okay, so I did a couple examples, and if you're thinking, why are we doing this? We don't use the metric system. You are correct, but this is just something in our curriculum, and it is used in other places in their science labs. Okay, so KM. So the question will ask KM. What does KM stand for? So the K stands for kilo, and the confusion when you get to the M is what M do you use? So if it's the second letter, this is the prefix, this is the suffix, this is showing that this is meter. So you go KM is kilometer. DG, okay, so small d, you come up here, that's your deci. G stands for gram, so decigram. Big D, L, big D is deca, small l is liter, so decaliter. MM, so if you have mm, you've got mm. All right, that's millimeter. What if you just had m by itself? What do you guys think it would be? So what? There's an m, there's an m. Well, these are all prefixes, so they go before something. So an m by itself would just be meter. Okay, meter. Perfect. Just like this. All right. Let's go on to the next page. Now, on this, what we want to do is metric conversions. That's our topic. So we want to convert from one metric unit to the next. Just follow the simple rule, and I think you'll be fine. So you just kind of follow where you're at and where you need to go. So in the first problem, we've got 25.2 hectoliters here, and we need to go to centiliters. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4 to your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. All right. So since we're going to the right, you take the decimal point. So if we had 25.2, you go 4 to the right. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, and then you write the number. So that's going to be 252,000. So that number goes here, 252,000. Okay. Same thing goes here. If we go to the next problem, we've got 68,101 kilometers. All right, so I'm going to just erase this real fast so we don't get confused. Oops. Okay. So now we've got kilometers, and we need to go to small d. So 1, 2, don't forget to do the units, 3, 4, that's a common mistake. So 4 to the right. There is no decimal here. The decimal's after the whole number, so I'm just going to write it here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a decimal point right here. Add the circles. Add the zeros. I'm sorry. So now I write this number. It's going to be 681 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. My commas. So that's a big number. All right, 681,010,000. Okay, so just start with what you're given. So kilo, go to the small d, 1, 2, 3, 4, take the decimal, move it there. All right, if you follow that rule, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's do a couple more. So you've got 0.3522 milligrams. So here's your milligram right here, milli. You want to go to the big D decagram. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to the left. And we already have a decimal. So we want to go, I'm just going to do this, write it over here so you can see. So 0.3522. So you go 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, fill in the circles. Or fill in the zeros. So this number is going to be 0.0003522 decagrams. Okay, so again we went 4 to the left. We took our decimal, 4 to the left. I didn't make these numbers easy, did I? Alright, let me erase this. Last one. Okay, last one. We've got 0.45 meters. So 0.45 meters, that's right here. We want to go to millimeters. So we go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So if we've got 0.45 meters, we go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So that's going to give us, add a 0 here. I'm just going to make a 0. So 1, 2, 3, that's 450 millimeters. Okay. So, all right, we'll do some problems next class. Thanks.